This is the Weather Extreme video. It's the afternoon edition for Wednesday, July 1st. I'm James Spann. Some big summer storms in progress across North Alabama as I speak. We'll have more of those at times through the 4th of July weekend. Check it out. Same upper air pattern today. Rather anomalous for the 1st of July. A big ridge in the west where it's so hot and a trough in the east where temperatures are below average. You can see an MCS kind of scooting into North Alabama. That was the radar this afternoon at 2:32. Big storms around Huntsville and Decatur and Athens. Big storms near Aniana, over Weiss Lake and Cherokee County, up into northern Etowah County, and also down around Roanoke. All those are moving to the east. Temperatures where the rain is falling feels pretty good. Look at Decatur at 69. How about that for the 1st of July? Away from the storms, mid to upper 80s. Birmingham at 88. We'll expect highs in that range really for the next 5 days or so. There is a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of northeast Alabama until 6 o'clock tonight in advance of that line of storms. But, of course, we've got stronger storms down to the south as well. Up on the watch warning map, flash flood watches for parts of Missouri and Kentucky. And out west, some heat advisories in effect. Places like Washington State, Oregon, California, Nevada, where it's so hot with a ridge there. Convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. The standard slight risk from Kansas City down to Atlanta. That includes much of North Alabama. Tomorrow, again, North Alabama in the standard slight risk, a marginal risk down to Montgomery. And on day 3, about the northern two-thirds of the state and a marginal severe weather risk. That's Friday. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning of next week. Big numbers over Tennessee, over 5 inches expected in spots there. In our state, the amounts vary from near 4 inches on the Tennessee border down to light amounts near the Gulf Coast. And again, if you headed down that way for the Gulf or for the 4th of July weekend, the Gulf weather looks fine. About 7 to 9 hours of sunshine each day with the chance of a storm. That's a standard part of any summer forecast. And the tropics are very quiet. No hurricanes, no tropical storms anytime soon. The air very dry out there. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. Same setup, ridge in the west, trough in the east. And again, we'll see scattered showers and storms around. The better chance in the afternoon and the evening. I can't rule out the chance of a morning storm, and some of the storms could be pretty strong. We note a 1,010 millibar low just northwest of the state. Friday, that surface low weakens and moves northeast. No dry air. Again, we'll have the chance of showers and storms. But remember, the sun will be out at times, away from the storms. And again, the high mid to upper 80s, maybe touching 90 in spots. And that'll be the theme for the 4th of July weekend. This is Saturday. Occasionally sunny, 1 or 2 passing storms likely. The high will be in the 80s. The GFS is only showing 82. That's very cool, relatively speaking, for the 4th of July, if that verifies. And this is Sunday, same thing. Highs mid-80s, some sun, and a chance of showers and storms. Monday of next week, not much change. This is Tuesday. Showers should begin to thin out as the heights come up. And this is a week from today, Wednesday, July 8th. You can see a 590 heat ring a little west of the state. The heights are coming up, and that looks very typical for July. Partly sunny, low 90s. A few spots getting an afternoon storm. Here's the end of the forecast. This is Saturday, July 11th. Again, we've got ridging in the west, troughing in the east. The pattern seems to be very persistent. And again, partly sunny with scattered showers and storms. Temperatures highs only in the 80s through the weekend. Next week, 90s come back, probably low 90s. And the anomalies, July 9th through July 15th. Temperatures below average to the north of here. Pretty close to average here, and the above average numbers are maximized over the Florida Peninsula. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.